Okay, we're live. End of the dollar? That's the question. I think so. Not sure if this lets me see what we can do here. No, not that. That's to share it. This is for the microphone. No, we don't want to mute ourselves. Just wanted to show something if I can. I don't think it will let me. I guess I just have to talk about it. Wanted to share a screenshot of the dollar and how it's hit started to drop and it's hit a ceiling and it's bouncing in the reverse direction. Just talk to you all about the potential there. Yep, can't do it. Oh well. Well, I'll learn the system as I do more and more how to. But if you look at the dollar chart, DXY is the ticker for the dollar. That's the dollar currency. It's the world reserve currency right now. Everything is denominated in dollars. So in order to buy anything in the world must purchase dollars with their currency and then turn around and take those dollars to buy fuel, oil, gold, silver, wheat, any of the agricultural commodities. Everything's bought in dollars for the most part. But the trend that most people are not aware of, because they don't have time for this, is that people are moving away from the dollar. They're going into other currencies, particularly China and Russia. They're aggressively accumulating gold and working to a new standard of monetary policy and getting rid of the dollar as the world reserve currency. So, I posed the question, is this the end of the dollar currency? I say, yeah, it is. And if you see the charts, the technical charts, you'll see that we've hit a ceiling here at about 98.34. And anyway, it's a line of resistance or support depending on which direction the market is moving towards it. Is it moving upward towards it? Then it's a ceiling, which is a resistance. If it's moving downward towards it, it's more of a support or a floor. So, how do you prepare for this? This is for thousands of years, even before the dollar was in existence. It's gold. It's not Bitcoin. It's not any of the cryptocurrencies. Matter of fact, Bitcoin right now hit an all-time high in December 2017. I can't believe it. It's almost 2 years ago that it hit that $20,000 a Bitcoin high, or per Bitcoin as the high. And it's only been working its way down to a low in December 2018, and then it bounced and tried to make another high, a new high, but it couldn't get there. It got up to about 14,000, and now it's down at about 8,500. So Bitcoin is done. Stick a fork in it. It's over. Finished. Fat lady has sung. Bitcoin's going to zero or somewhere nearby there in this not too distant future. But if you want to protect yourself against this dollar crash, currency crash, stick with what's always worked. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Go back to gold. Go back to silver. Silver to gold ratio is something around 80, 85 to 1, which is a pretty historic high. So that means silver is either super undervalued or gold is overvalued. More than likely, it's the first one. Silver is undervalued. So there's your opportunity to build some wealth for your family and to get some insurance for your family. A monetary, economic insurance is through gold and silver, but particularly with silver. So that's the stream today. Is it the end of the dollar? If you look at the chart again, the DXY is the ticker. You'll see that it's bouncing, and it looks like it's going to start heading down again. So protect yourself with some gold or silver. I'd say go with silver at the moment, and then once the ratios are closer, the gold to silver ratio is a little tighter, then you can get back into gold, back and forth. It's a good way that a lot of smart investors use to accumulate without having to put another dollar into the precious metals market. They just buy silver, a lot more value in their silver. They can trade in all or some of it for gold and go back and forth until they just accumulate a mass quantity of economic insurance. So anyway, that's our podcast today. Thanks for joining me. Expect more. Talk to you. Catch you on the other side. Peace.